clips like that, you know. Cool. Perfect. Alright, so now we're gonna do a nitrogen test. We got 223, 232. We're gonna hold this right here for about 15 minutes, maybe 10. See if we stay. See if those gauge jumps are good. Look good.
Get the king valve or hose are connected to as well.
Right here? Oh, that was right there.
Yeah, right there. Just check those, make sure we don't have no leaks. Just want to verify. I don't see any evidence of leaks up here. Usually you'll see like some, oh yeah, see that on the side of the receiver?
Where?
It looks like some threads on the side of the little receiver right there. Spray that as well.
This right here?
Yep. Make sure that's not doing nothing. That's getting off right there. You just want to do a little thin coating.
Alright. Where else? You want to come right here?
If you don't see any bubble, you should. Oh, check on the spot. Check the high pressure valve right there with the red button on it. Check where that goes into it. Any leaks? I think we're good.
Mm-hmm. 317.